Okay, this is a unboxing. I've got two items to unbox. This is the eBay ring. This is a vintage collection item, and the other one is 4 figures from Star Action Figures. Both all vintage collections. So I'll get those open as well. But we'll start with this. I think I won this a week ago on Tuesday. It came maybe on the Monday, but I wasn't in, so it's been re-delivered for today. So let's get it out. So I was watching this on eBay, and unbeknownst to me, only one Kenobi was as well. So he was going to bid on this, but he forgot to bid. So it's been nicely packed. Get it out. Put the plastic back in the box. So this one is VC 141. It's the Chewbacca. So it's not in the best condition, it's got issues. Like some snag there, some slight edge wear there, but it's the European carded version. This corner's a bit soft. Bubble's good. So VC141. So it's got all the right warnings in European languages. Other figures at the time. Got the yak face. I guess that's the Rogue One Imperial Stormtrooper. That's a hard one to get now. In fact, most of these are hard to get. But this is quite good. So that's your... I mean, what's significant about this one is it doesn't have the warning over the Luke and Leia. I mean, the Chewbacca's, you've had this figure so many times. The Black Series, the VOTC. Great image, nice Star Wars card. I mean, the print, the writing's a bit tiny on the name. That could have been a bit bigger. So it's not a perfect condition card. But because it's a variant, I went for it. Then only one Kenobi, I think on the Thursday, he sort of messaged me and said, or Friday, he said I was bidding on this Chewbacca and some jammy so-and-so won it. But he'd forgotten to bid on it. And I mean, I put my maximum bid in, which was about £17.76, and I won it for about £17.60. And then with postage, it brings it up to about £21.50, maybe £22. Not a bad piece. I mean, the reason I didn't get this originally was because of the figure, because it's been done so many times. It's basically the VOTC Chewbacca with possibly a new head and a new dab of paint. I mean, I've got the Black Series version, the 3.75, you know. Even that Legacy collection Chewbacca's the same, more or less the same body. So I got that. Nice pick up there. Chewy, and now we're going to look at the got from Star Action Figures. There's the box. It's got a cutter piece here. Let me put the camera down. Just got to cut this little bit here in the corner. Got it open. So you know what Star Action Figures are like with their packing, they're really good. So there's a few figures I really wanted here, so I must have ordered these a couple of weeks ago. Really well tightly packed. Oh, they're in this Star Action Figures, action figure box. Pretty cool. So I'm going to have to get that out. Oh, here's the thing. Let me just stick the camera here so I can cut the box. So there should be 4 in this box. Opened. Yep, they're all there. Good. So I've got 4 figures here. So these are newer figures, unlike that Chewbacca which is around. So I've got the Han Solo Endor. Nice figure there. He looks great. I never got the original one back in, what's his number, VC62. I never got the original 2011 version of VC62, so this is the new version with improved head sculpt. I've got the VOTC version though. So nice figure there. His jacket's got the pocket now. I mean, the camouflage is quite subtle. Very nice. So that's VC62. I also had to get this one, Emperor's Royal Guard. This is one I've always wanted. I missed this one when it came out originally. I've got the Black Series version, and now we've got this version. I don't know if the cape's any different. But it's a great figure. I love the card image. This one will be VC105. That's a great one. So 2 great figures there from the original line, both reissues. Maybe I should have picked up the Luke Hoth as well. I also got the Shadow Stormtrooper, the Gaming Greats version. That's a great figure. Someone described this as Tron meets Star Wars. I can see what they mean. Such a great figure. Great image on the card. The Force Unleashed. Yep, very nice. That's VC194. We're getting up to the 200 now. That's a great one to pick up. So I've got those 3. And the last one I got is an older one. It's Hondo Ohnaka on the Star Wars card. Henna. Thought I'd pick him up. He's VC173. Hondo Ohnaka. So those are the 4 I got, plus, so I think I chose well. So So I mean, the Emperor's Royal Guard is just so nice, that card image. Han's quite a classic figure, Shadow Trooper, and then I've got that Chewie as well. So 5 figures, 4 from Star Action and this one from eBay. Pretty nice. Chewie's quite heavy, that figure. But these ones are great. So you've got the 2 types of Star Wars card there. Nice. Yep, pleased with that one. Definitely like this one. Emperor's Royal Guard. Just love the card image. Han Endor, what a classic. There's the face look. Looks okay, it's not bad. No paint apps on the gun. I mean, the good thing with the Emperor's Royal Guard is you've got enough bits to make him into a different figure. Very cool. Okay, so I hope you like looking at my unboxing. Very nice. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so let's see if we can. Nice. 3 figures there, 2 there. Time to say goodbye. Cheers.